Hey guys, so today I filmed this new look for you guys. So this is a makeup look for Christmas. Um, yeah, so this is the look. This is a finished look. Before watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the other side. Bye. Hey guys, what up, what up? So I'm starting with the face today, priming with my Boscia mattifying primer. As you already know, prime, and I'm gonna set that primer with my, as you already know, translucent powder from Fenty Beauty. Enjoy me right now being so into my show and slowly priming my face. I'm so sorry. Yeah, and here's me mattifying that primer so it stays in place all day. Okay, so for my foundation, I use the usual Dior 5.0 mixed with my medium beige from Pro Concealer. So I mix my foundation with my concealer, and that makes my new foundation shade basically. So yeah, enjoy me blending that foundation. I know I take time to blend. I just want everything to be perfect. So to conceal today, I use my medium beige concealer from Pro Concealer. Yeah, Pro Concealer. I don't know why I'm bugging today. Well, it's that concealer. It will be listed down below for the exact name. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know why I'm bugging today. So yeah, I'm just applying that everywhere where you normally conceal. So under the eye, the forehead, the nose, not my cheek, but my, I'm forgetting right now. I'm so sorry. I actually just came out of bed. Like I was watching my shows in my bed. So yeah, I'm confused right now. But enjoy me just concealing my face. And to set all that concealer, I use my Huda Beauty Blondie translucent powder. I really love that powder. I swear by it. I actually just bought my second box, and honestly it lasts so long. So that's what I like about that powder. A little goes really a long way, and it lasts long. Okay guys, so for the eyes today, I'm using a new palette. This is the Sugabee cosmetic palette. I received them from the company. Basically, I really love that palette. The shade that I'm using right now is the shade Ocean Eyes, and this is from, I received two palettes. This is from the Kamiah palette. I also received the other palette. I think I will do a video using the shade from the other palette, but yeah, so just pray for me. Yeah, I'll probably do it this week. I'll do a look using the other palette. So yeah, and then I went back to my James Charles times Morphe palette, and I basically use underneath that first shade that I use, I place the shade Daddy. You know what I'm saying? We all need a daddy. No, I'm just joking. You don't need a daddy. All you need is yourself, girl. You go, girl. So yeah, that's the shade that I used. So yeah, I enjoy me placing that shade on both eyes, of course. And then I went back to the Kamiah palette and I used the shade Money Dust, the palette from Sugabee Cosmetics, of course. And yeah, I really like those glitter shades from the palette. I think those are my most favorite eyeshadow of the palette. I just like how it pops. I really like how it looks on my skin. Like, I really love it, and she really did the damn thing with these glitter eyeshadow. So yeah, congrats to her. I really love it. Right now, I'm just bronzing up my face while contouring my face with the Coco powder from Fenty Beauty. I'm priming that face to bring it back to life. Oh my god, look at my eyes, guys. They look so good. They look so cute. Oh my god, I love them. I love that palette. Okay, so I went back to the Kamiah palette and I used the shade Ocean Blue again, and I'm just applying that under my eyes. Yeah, I know it looks like more blue-ish on the camera, and that is basically because I already like had some eyeshadow before on the brush, but I kind of like how it turned out because yeah, I like the shade. So to highlight, I use my highlighter from my Glow Kit, the palette from the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I'm not remembering the shade right now, but I will list it down below. It's basically just the first shade at the on top at the left. So I'm lining my lips with my True Brown Cake from Kylie Cosmetics. You know, that is a holy grail, so yeah. And also I'm using this Honey Drip gloss, which is also from the Sugabee cosmetics line, and that is, yo, since I received that gloss, I wear it every day, guys. I swear by that gloss. I really like it. So I'm back and I'm better. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. We enjoyed making it for you guys. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I wish your holidays are gonna be blessed, are gonna be fun, are gonna be exciting, are gonna be lit. Just have fun, guys, and may God bless you. May all your wish come true on Christmas Day and for the new year, whatever. Yeah, before you head out, can you please like, comment, share, and subscribe? It will mean the world to us. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's a Merry Christmas would be. Me get again just start for your Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound. At the brown brown, but those switch in a town of my sound.